Let's do a quick unboxing of Motorola Edge 70. I'm gonna show you what is inside the box, what accessories do we get, and how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box. Over here we have this paper box over here. So let's take it out. We're gonna take a look at it in a second. First, let's actually take out the phone. There we go. And so that is pretty much it over here in this box. So we have the phone, the paper box, of course. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna actually take a look inside the paper box. So let's see, what do we have? We can take a look at the back and we can open it from here in order to see all of these accessories that we get. So of course we have some papers. We have the quick guide, I believe, some information. We have the eject tool, which is actually packed quite nicely. This is a surprise, something new. Over here we have some additional information, and we have the information about the battery and the IP rating and so on and so forth. And of course we also have the USB-C cable. Let me actually move it over here. We have the USB-C cable. It is actually USB-C on both ends. There we go. And also we have the protective case. Can I actually open it quite easily? I don't think so. Oh, maybe I can just remove it like that. There we go. So we have this transparent case that we can use, at least for the start, until we get something better. Pretty neat. Unfortunately, we can see fingers pretty much immediately as we touch on it. As we touch it, I mean. So, yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna take a look at the phone itself. Alright, and there we go. This is how the phone looks like. The material on the back feels quite nice, actually. Something unique, I would say. On the left side we have this button over here. We have the power button and volume buttons. Also there seems to be a microphone in here. At the top we have the microphone as well, with the Dolby Atmos text, which is apparently not visible for my camera. Let's try to get the focus. There we go. Alright. Of course the back. And at the bottom we have the USB-C port, the SIM tray, the microphone, and speakers. And that's about it. The phone seems to be really thin, actually. It's pretty thin, definitely thinner than other smartphones. But that's about it. So as you can see, quite a bit of a box. We have different things, like we have the protective case included. We have the USB-C cable, which is pretty standard, of course. So that's pretty decent. Unfortunately, no charger or power adapter in this case. This has been purchased in Europe, so naturally, of course, now power adapters are not included for Europeans, at least for most of them, I believe. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.